is halfway, not halfway. All these views. Here's Speedy Gonzales. So here we are, we have arrived at Longmeadow campsite, we're all set up. Will then be a straight path through to Brockenhurst and then we'll be at the pub. Pretty good. And we have a hard standing pitch with electric. This could be hilarious. There was a strong wind, but I didn't think it was that strong. Like, there's nobody in there. So this is a Benimar Tesoro. There's no leaflet up telling us what it does, what it's got.
You'll like them.
I like it. Turn the camera off. Bye.
Best shot! You gotta hit me with your best shot.
See, more of this than I've got to do.
She started recording. Oh!
So welcome to the start of the Gorge Walk. We're going this way. Close as I'm daring to get. It's a long way down. This is England, this is the middle of July, and there's water here. It's also probably from the, we've got the Mudderford Sands pit, I think it's called, on that side, and obviously the harbour on that side. So it's probably a high water table, I don't know what I'm talking about, to be honest with you, but so we have arrived at Marwell Resort.
Yeah.
and we are about to go for an explore and get away from all the flies. There's a fly there, and there's a fly in there, and there's a fly over there, and we don't like the flies. The 27th of August is National Burger Day, so we are clearly having burgers today, even though it is the 26th, but it's close enough. No one's checking. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. I think I might just head back to the camper van. Okay. Shit! Okay, totally unprepared for this. Some people just can't take the hills. And we are going to go the long way. Why?
Oh,
hello. Hello everybody, Richard here, and today we are at Exbury Gardens to check out their Halloween displays. Okay, welcome everyone to Freshwater Bay. This is our pitch. We are on pitch B1. So we are now heading off. Yes, of course. No. It's in the sea, darling. Now, let's fly the drone for the first time. I was just kidding, I haven't got a drone.